Hello everyone, my name is Hector Lopez from Puebla, Mexico. I am a computer science major in York University in York, Nebraska, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python.
So here is the file with the actual code in it. First of all, I want to say that this project is inspired by a YouTube video that will leave in the description, but I modified the code so it works better in macOS devices, and the functionality of the calculator is more similar to a macOS based calculator. So first of all, we have the buttons, which is just a list of lists with all the buttons that we're going to use. And then the first function is change symbol, in which we use a regular expression to see if it's positive or negative and change it accordingly. Then we have the add percentage function, in which we only add like the percentage symbol uh, by checking some rules. And then we have the add period function, in which we use add period or decimal point to the expression. Then we have the solve equation function, in which we replace the multiplication buttons from the calculator with the ones from Python, so it can be used with the eval Python default function. And we also use a while loop to check that there's no percentage symbol and turn them into float or ints. Then in the button click function, we just call you just call each function accordingly depending on the button that is pressed. And then in the main function, we create the actual window with the calculator. Here we have a dictionary with the colors, and then we use the tkinter library to create the buttons and the rows, and then we also use the tk macOS X library to create the window better for macOS devices. And this is how the calculator actually works. We can add numbers, turn them negative, or we can also multiply or turn into percentage. So yeah, that was my project, and thanks for your attention.